I'm going to show you how to configure Windows Network to share files and folder on Windows 7, 8.1, 10, 11, and later version of Windows. First, make sure you are connected to the same router, switches, or hubs using Wi-Fi or Ethernet cable. On your Windows search Control Panel, and open it by clicking. Select View by category. On the list, select Network and Internet, then Network and Sharing Center. Look at your network profile. Set it to private to avoid problem when sharing your files and folder. To switch to private, just follow the steps. Just skip some of the steps not related to your Windows version, or your network profile is already set to private. For Windows 11, on the lower right side corner of your screen, on the taskbar, right-click the network icon for wired connection or Wi-Fi, and click Network and Internet Settings. Select Ethernet, if using wired connection, and Wi-Fi, for wireless connection. On your network profile type, select Private. For Windows 10, on the lower right side corner of your screen, on the taskbar, right-click the network icon for wired connection or Wi-Fi, and click Network and Internet Settings. On the left side of the screen, select Ethernet if using wired connection, and Wi-Fi if using wireless connection. Select your network connection name. And on your network profile type, select Private. For Windows 8 and 8.1, put your mouse on the lower right side corner of your screen until the hidden menu show up. Click Settings. Click Change PC Settings. On the left side of the screen, click Network. Click Connections, and select your network connection name for Ethernet or Wi-Fi. Turn on Find Devices and Content to make your network private. For Windows 7, on the lower right side corner of your screen on the taskbar, right-click the network icon for wired or Wi-Fi connection, and click Open Network and Sharing Center. Click the network profile below the network connection name. On the list, select Home Network to make your connection private. And then, click Close. After setting your network profile to private, go to Advanced Sharing Settings. Look for your current profile. Turn on Network Discovery and File and Printer Sharing, recommended. If you are using Guest of Public Network Profile, turn on Network Discovery and File and Printer Sharing, recommended. On all networks, turn off Password Protected Sharing to prevent Windows asking for username and password when accessing the host computer. Then click Save Changes. Next, click your connections and check on the details. Take note of the host computer's IP address. Make sure that the 3 numbers of your IP address is the same with the other computer to communicate with each other. If not, you have to set it manually. After you take note the IP address, close the windows. Next, locate the files or folder you want to share. In my case, I want to share the videos folder. Right-click the folder and click Properties. Go to Sharing tab, and click Advanced Sharing. Check Share this folder. Click Apply and OK. Next, click on Share. Click the drop-down on the combo box and select Everyone, to allow other user to access to the folder. Don't forget to click Add, then click Share. And click Done. Close the window. Next, get the name of the host computer. Go to Windows Search and search About Your PC or System for Windows 8 and older version of Windows. Click to open. Take note the device name or computer name of the host computer. Then close. Now go to the second computer. Now, we are going to configure the client computer. First, make sure you are connected to the same router, switches, or hubs using Wi-Fi or Ethernet cable with the host computer. We will configure it the same way as we configure the host computer. We will open the control panel and view by category. Select Network and Internet, then Network and Sharing Center. Set your network profile to private if it is set to public, the same way you did to the host computer. Next, Click the Change Advanced Sharing settings. Look for your current profile. Turn on Network Discovery and File and Printer Sharing. If you are using Guest of Public Network Profile, turn on Network Discovery and File and Printer Sharing. On all networks, turn off Password Protected Sharing to prevent Windows asking for username and password when accessing network computer. Then click Save Changes. Next, check your IP address by clicking your connection name and go to Details. Check your IPv4 address if the first 3 numbers are the same with the host computer. If not, you have to set it manually. Close the windows. Open Windows Explorer, or any folder, and click Network. The device computer name of the host computer should show up in the list. If not showing, you can check it by going to Windows Search, search CMD and click to open. Type ping plus IPv4 address of the host computer and press Enter. If you get a reply, you're good to go. But, if you get destination host unreachable, recheck the IPv4 address of the host computer and see if it is still the same and repeat the ping process. If it's still not working, you can check the firewall of the 2 computer, the host and client computer, to see if it is blocking the connection. Skip the following steps if you already get a reply from the host IPv4 address. To check your firewall, go to the lower right of your screen and open Windows Security. If you are using a different antivirus that managed your firewall, open that antivirus and open the firewall setting. Make sure that File and Printer Sharing, Home Group, for Windows 10 and older, and Network Discovery are allowed through Firewall. Click OK, and close. Go back to the client computer, and redo the ping process. If you get a reply in your ping, after doing it, go back to Network. Note: network computers might show or might not show on the list. If you are using different version of Windows, or your Windows version is not updated, or if your connection is slow, can also affect network discovery. But, if you get a reply in your ping, you can use the address bar, type // follow the host IPv4 address or host device computer name and press Enter. I recommend that you use the / plus device computer name, since it is easy to remember and it will not change over time. Once you get access to the host computer, you can now view and open the shared file or folder. You can also copy files or folder to your computer. Subscribe to our channel for more videos. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, or share. Thank you for watching.